So the product that I think I enjoyed seeing the most was the arc fault demonstration, mostly because it's be a little easier maybe to explain it to homeowners in the future.
They're Homeline panels. I find that they're easy to work with and nice and clean looking.
What I like most is the Homeline load centers,
nice.
Where you can like monitor where your power is going and find out, you know, what's inefficient, what's more efficient, and what you need to unplug a little bit more. I kind of like that idea.
My favorite product or feature coming down the line is the new smart panel that they're talking about.
I think they're always just getting better at, figuring out new innovative stuff and, making it easier on us as electricians because, it's not always the best circumstances you're working under and, it's good to, change things up and always be studying it.
I like the Wi-Fi switches. I like them a lot, so I think that would be kind of a cool idea. When you're laying in bed, you don't want to get up and get the switch, just right on your phone. That's kind of cool.
In terms of the Canadian market, we're just waiting to hear on that yet. So I'm looking forward to seeing what products we can control within the automation side and smart metering and monitoring and whatnot. So excited.
In the smart technology space, I think like Schneider's doing a great thing, and they're really competing with a lot of the companies that we do provide. And I think everything smart that they are bringing out there is it's ease of use for the individual that's using it. We don't need a 20-page instructions. You guys make it really streamlined, and it helps make the smart integration into people's homes a lot easier.
They have a good quality product and they last and they keep their standards across the industry there. They don't change the products often or part numbers, and it's easy to find, and interchangeable parts too. So you're not replacing a whole disconnect or contactor system, you just replace the part that broke.
Definitely the Homeline thing.
Okay.
I thought that was a really cool idea there. So, like I said, it's nice to know where your power's going.
The wholesalers are pretty good at, giving us, being aware of what's out there and stuff like that. They have a good board in there too. So, yeah.